Very good morning, students. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English and language and literature teacher, is ready to welcome you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Beji. Students of class 11, we are very much happy that you have chosen our school, our institution for your plus 2 study. We are always dedicated and committed to enhance your knowledge by making your future better and impressive. Students, this will be proved in coming time whenever we are meeting in our school, whenever we are meeting in our classes. And now I am going to make you aware of the syllabus of English for class 11. Students, your question paper, final question paper will consist of 80 marks. This will be divided into 3 sections as it is generally divided in class 10. First section is known as section A, that carries 20 marks. This is known as reading section, reading skill or reading comprehension. In this part of your section, there shall be 2 unseen passages including poems with a variety of questions like very short answer questions, short answer questions and multiple choice questions. As per the latest syllabus, you may have only multiple choice questions in this section of reading comprehension. The total range of the 2 passages, including a poem or a stanza, should be around 900 to 1000 words as per the following details. It means your 2 given passages may be in between 900 to 1000 words. The passage which contains 550 to 600 words in length will be used for note making and summarizing. Students, this note making and summarizing is a new grammatical tool that has been added and it generally carries 12 marks in the examination. This is mathematical in nature. If you do practices of this section again and again, you may be in position to get maximum marks, just 10, 11 and 12 also in this regard. This note making is something new and this note making is something just interesting also. The second passage of 350 to 400 words in length will be used to test comprehension, interpretation and interface. Students, these 2 reading comprehensions will be based upon fact, illustrations, descriptions and reports. You have to be very serious, and while you are going to solve this part of your question paper, you have to keep in your mind that you may have literary passages, extracts from the fiction, biography, autobiography. Students, one thing I would like to make clear here, that biography is the life history of a person written by himself, where autobiography is the life history of the same person written by any other person under his or her consent. In the case of poem, the text may be shorter than the prescribed word limit. If you have to solve the question related to poem, the word limit may be less. So students, 2 reading comprehensions, one as usual as you have been coming on doing in your class 10, and the second a new tool that is known as note making. Students, now I move to section B, which is known as writing skills and grammar. It will carry 30 marks divided into 2 categories. The first one, short answer questions based on notice, poster or advertisement. The second one is long answer question in form of letter on verbal or visual input. Letters of different kinds, basically known as formal and informal, divided into different categories. They will be there with a changed word limit and changed marks. Now move to grammar portion. Different grammatical structures in meaningful context will be tested. Item types will include gap filling, sentence reordering, and dialogue completion, and at last sentence transformation. The important grammatical units that you have to study will include determiners, tense, clause, modals, and change of voice. But the traditional questions may not be there as you have faced in class 10. These grammar areas will be tested through 10 very short answer type questions on the following. The first one is error correction. As you know is editing in class 10, it is known as editing task. The second one is reordering of sentences. It is known as rearrange, zigzag words or jumble words, where you have to rearrange the words, given words, in order to make meaningful sentences. The third one is transformation of sentences, where different types of transformations will be taken from your different grammatical areas that I have stated earlier. Students, this section B is also mathematical in nature regarding getting marks, regarding obtaining marks. Now the third and the last section is your section C, known as literature. It carries 30 marks, where you have to study two books, Hornbills and Snapshots. From these two books, you have 3 very short answer questions out of 4, where 2 questions will be from Hornbill and the rest 2 questions will be taken from your snapshots. There may be 1 long answer question out of 2 from Hornbill, and the same process will be taken 1 long answer question out of 2 from snapshots. So these are the syllabus which you have to complete, which you have to cover, and you have to make your future better. So keep all these points that I have stated while you start going through your grammatical or reading section as well as your literature section. Students, I hope this presentation will help you in keeping syllabus for your class 11 in mind. In next video we shall start studying just note making, a newly added tool, very interesting tool to your comprehension, to your reading section.